one considers the meaning of life, it is a struggle between alternative viewpoints of life itself. And without the ability to defend one's own viewpoint against other, perhaps more aggressive ideologies, then reasonableness and moderation could quite simply disappear.
Now, today we're going to do marching up and down the square. That is, unless any of you got anything better to do. Well, anyone got anything they'd rather be doing than marching up and down the square? Now, everybody else happy with my little plan of marching up and down the square of it? Everybody else quite content to join in with my little scheme of marching up and down the square? Now, what about the rest of you? Rather be at the pictures, I suppose. Right.